This video is a part of the Bedside Unit Help Guides.
More information. This section will show you how to get to the patient safety video, where to find answers to common questions, and what account features you have access to. Never been to hospital and want to know more about being a patient? With the Bedside Units you can watch the patient safety video. Press the purple Other Services button on the remote to get to the home page. Then use the arrows at the top of the remote to navigate to more information. It will light up pink when selected. Press the tick to confirm. Use the arrows to scroll down to the patient safety video. There's more useful information on these pages, including how to use the bedside unit and what is available. Some common questions you may have will be found here. Any NHS videos can also be found here. Here is the Your Account page where you can view account history, use a vending machine card, buy an entertainment package, answer a survey, text friends and family to tell them where you are, and log out if you're being discharged or moving beds. Thank you for watching.